Hosanna, 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 Hosanna to my Panta. Hosanna, 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 Hosanna to my Hosanna, Hosanna.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss Ex-strippers
Yeah, I'm in Tesco's at the moment trying to get some liquor for the barbecue party. So in British culture, you can't just barge into a party or somewhere that you've been invited empty-handed. So you basically need to get something to go in there with it. Then at least it means you contributed towards the party or whatever program that was happening. I think we've got Captain Morgan, Bacardi. I think I'll go with this JD. You can't go wrong with it. So I've got myself a JD. Go into the till, check out, and I can then proceed to the party. So I arrived at the party, had to go around, say hello to people that I know, and also try and make new friends. So come on, let's go and do this. That's a guy over there, Sergeant Naughty, and that's not his wife. Yeah, she's so lovely, so nice. Yeah, I am.
Amazing. What's the YouTube channel?
Wade in real life.
Wade in real life. Yeah. I love YouTube.
That's good. Then you need to help me then.
Yes, I will add on YouTube. Wade in real life.
No, not the free floor. I tell me say you can't accuse them. Say you still have. The chef himself. That's it. That was the chef himself.
Yo, what's up, man?
How not Frank?
Well, listen, Frank, yeah. No, Frank, because my kid will want it. Frank, in their mother-in-law. Yeah. So you have a thing. So. Okay. Yeah, no, so I see Frank all the time. I don't know, something went wrong. Yeah, oh, Frank, yeah, I love you. This is so yummy.
Senior man. Senior, everything cool, yeah. Time to munch on this pork meat. Looks so good. And I bet I'm going to scatter everything in there. In this plate. Are you coming over here? Yeah. What's this?
Fried halloumi.
What's that? I'm not trying
Halloumi cheese.
cheese.
Yeah, no,
I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese.
It doesn't taste like regular cheese.
Really?
So
Is it? We have something back home called wangashi.
Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what it is. In Nigeria, we call it wara.
That's all.
Halloumi cheese.
Halloumi, oh, please.
Have you had it before?
Halloumi is so good.
Is it nice?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah, halloumi is nice.
Are you from Nigeria as well?
Yeah.
It's like wara. You know wara?
Yeah, I think wangashi. Yeah, it's true. Wangashi. Okay.
No, everybody needs it exactly like a half hour.
I nearly put on shorts here. And I was like, no, I think the sun is gone. So I had to.
I can run, but I don't like running.
Under the thunder, bumper to bumper. From Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. Where are they for Ghana? Ghana. How to be from Ghana? September. I see the sun.
Definitely into mix.
Okay, yes, that is true. That is true. You're not like Abyssinia,
Abyssinia, yeah.
No, and you know, so where did Kenya come from? If you said Abyssinia, and if you said Ethiopia, we would have heard. I would have.
In the northern part of Kenya, the original Africans.
The job there, it is sport there. The man himself is here. Yeah. Big man. You're good, big man.
Yes, I'm good.
Good.
They've been bullying me.
Come on, how can I bully you? I cannot do that to you.
You can.
You're a Ghanaian sister.
Join your Allah support.
No, don't say that. How is it going, big man? Are you ready to go back to work? Nobody's ready. Oh, money, oh.
What's the clock? What's the clock? No, I'm Remy.
You're Remy.
I was before. All right.
He did. Hosanna to my Fansa. Hosanna to my Hosanna. Ule. See me today and moving, see and kule. You go feel it. You don't talk to pay. We think them stupid. This is my business. I go come to play. Shall make me. Shut up, live in baby. Ben a boy and shut up, give them headache. Okay guys, so I had to leave the venue and attend to something quickly at home. So this is where my vlog ends. Enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share and let this go viral. Peace out.
Is that ready?
Hey.